This is a test of the emergency alert system originating from the Michigan State Police State Emergency Operations Center in Lansing. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, toxic material release, nuclear plant incident, widespread phone or power outages, or other state or local emergency that affects safety, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This test is presented in conjunction with Michigan Severe Weather Awareness Week. Severe weather can strike at any time. It is important to be prepared to act when the sirens sound and or alerts are issued. For preparedness information and materials, visit michigan.gov/MI Ready. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.